Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB using your Coinbase wallet. First, ensure you have the Coinbase wallet app installed on your device. You'll need to either create a new wallet or securely import an existing one. Remember, Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, meaning you control your private keys and assets directly. This is a crucial first step before proceeding with any transactions. Next, you'll need to fund your Coinbase wallet with an asset that can be swapped for BNB. Common choices include Ethereum or stablecoins like USC. You can transfer these from a centralized exchange or another wallet. Don't forget to account for network gas fees, especially if you're using the Ethereum network for initial transfers or swaps, as these can vary. Now, to acquire BNB, you'll typically use a decentralized exchange or DEX within your Coinbase wallet's D-app browser. Navigate to a DEX that supports BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. Connect your Coinbase wallet to the DEX, then initiate a swap. You'll exchange your funded crypto like Ethereum or USC for BNB. Always confirm the network and transaction details carefully. After completing the swap, return to your Coinbase wallet's main screen. You should see your newly acquired BNB reflected in your asset list. It's always a good practice to confirm the transaction on the relevant blockchain explorer. Finally, always remember to keep your wallet's recovery phrase extremely secure and never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.